Yeah. Yeah, sharp kunjani Tim? Yeah. This is brand collab rap scene as promoter my brands, promoter my artists. We also interview the brand owner page.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nice,
So ngiyabona push it jam here.
All day, every day.
All day.
Every day. Sithi all day jam maro yazi ezilingo yasekhasi all day every day.
Yeah. Okay,
yeah.
sharp. What came into your mind mhlambe athi ngiphusha jam ngipantsula instead of ngiyojive estradini ngishaya ama choreography and whatever? Why did you think of the jam?
So mina ngikhule ngumuntu ojivayo vele ngijivele iplatform 2 Pantsula.
Yeah.
Then escale grade 11 nga-attend competition step up to startup.
Yeah.
That's why I was inspired to be an entrepreneur.
Yeah.
Yabo bengisha grade 11 and it was towards the end of the following year ngiyosha matric.
Yeah.
Focus kuma studies ngicede iskela. Mangicede iskela ngine 1000 engiyisavile. Kuthi ngenzeni? Ngiyestradeni ngiyojiva nani namapantsula amachita wami abochopha. Yabo. But then ngiyacabanga ukuthi estradeni there's a lot of things happening yabo and it's like i-art like ayikho consistent like imali yakhona ayingeni njalo yabo dependa ngamagigi yabona it's either uyagika or uyabasta estradeni yabo but then I needed something ezoba sustainable for a very long time engizobuilda like i-legacy ne next generation ngayo yabo so that was how I was inspired to start the All Day Jam.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay, I know everything you just told me. It sounds so perfectly nice. Manje uyipusha kanjani le jam yakho mfethu? Yangena esinkweni, yangena abantu mabepheka. Is it that original jam besiyidla sakhula or inamanye ama ingredients like explainele kabanzi ngalokho?
So ngendaba ye jam yethu it's very very unique. Sishanga amanye ama flavor are unique just like your tomato jam. Yabo tomato jam ukhona ukuyisebenzisa for ukumarinate, ya apply esinkweni, ungayuse as pizza base. Like it does multiple things. It's a substitute of chutney as well. Then with the other flavors like your yellow melon, pear and peach, you use them on your jam tarts, scone cakes, some pancakes, ilapo, namagwinya.
Amagwinya also. Yes, well
abantu basekhaya namagwinya, fat cakes, yabo. Yazi le idea yama fat cake ne jam ize kanjani. Kunento bathi donut.
Okay.
Donut is sweet, but then what you bigger than it's a fat cake lento.
Yeah, sure.
So sayifika out lapha Orange Farm then we saw ukuthi amanzi nemarket nalana yabo. So you do multiple things. That's why it's all day jam. Ngithe before this interview ngithe all day every day.
Yes,
so either every day ngendlela different, either the whole day ngendlela different. That's why it's all day jam.
Yeah, I understand. Bravo bafethu. I've never heard any umuntu ongimi-interview agcwalisele idikisi lakhe ngalendlela. Sisemapantsuleni Chippy Gangster. We are brand collab. Yes sir. Welele.
Anyways, Hotman okanisherana.
Abafethu uyabheka siphethe jam jakalasi lana awuyebe sokabuyelo. Uyaphathula la jam bafethu. All jam waya. Bheka made in SA.
Keep it local.
Yeah, sure. Yazalala bafethu.
Shasha kita usendela
Nani zakre?
Ciao, vai.